Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change audio language in YouTube videos. Using YouTube's multi-language feature is as simple as it gets. The feature is available on mobile and desktop, and anyone can use it. If you come across a YouTube video with your local language added, it should play in that language. But we'll show you how to change the audio language to a different language just in case. Follow these steps to watch a YouTube video in your local language. Open the YouTube app and play a video you want to watch. Tap on the video and select the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. And tap audio track on the menu. It'll also show the language the video is currently set to. Now, tap the language you want to switch. It's important to note that creators don't need to use YouTube's multi-language audio. It's optional for creators who want to reach a wider audience. At the time of writing, more than 40 languages are available in YouTube's multi-language feature, but that doesn't mean that all videos will have that many languages added. The list of languages shown in a video audio track section depends on how many audio files the creator has added to that particular video. If you can't find your local language on the list, it means the creator hasn't added the relevant audio file. It could be available in the future, but since there's no guarantee, you might be better off enabling closed captions on YouTube. It's also possible for a creator or channel to not have the same number of audio files available for all their videos. Some creators have started by slowly adding popular languages to their videos and will add more in the future. This process takes time as creators have to add audio files manually. YouTube doesn't do it for them. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.